Hello everyone, welcome to Weekend Review. Today we're going to be reviewing Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, made in 2023. So this movie, budget, $100 million budget and $319 million in the box office. And now I'm going to talk about the cast here. We got Tom Bird as Christina Snow, Rachel Zegler as a great songbird. My brother kind of knows her. Viola Davis as Dr. Grimm, the bad guy. Bad girl of the movie, and I hate her. Peter Dinklage is Casca Highbomb, the creator of the Hunger Games. And Jason Schwartzman is the first television host. Dr. Snow is cousin. Now, but let's talk about. So in this movie, after the first rebellion, Snow, always in the academy, is a tribute to the 10 Hunger Games, and he's under the guy Dr. Cool, who teaches about him Snake. Now, it's where his father's handkerchief. Now during Dr. Cool shows Snow her snake, her snake. And they won't attack anyone as long as they're with him long enough. For a while, if they know him well enough. And after the tributes, the tributes fight, you got a few days about Snow was able to help her by giving her a poison. Lucy give poison, but Casca finds out that she and banishes Snow to 12th district. And after a while, where they find potatoes, which is what they call is Katniss, which is the main character. Also, Lucy is a great singer, and she, are you, but finds out we'll try to hang, and Cornelius' friend, hang on, Sojournus, he tries to Dr. Gould and the birds, and then Lucy expects this and tries to run away, but Snow goes after him, is bitten by a snake. He goes back to Capitol, rejoins his family, and then it corrupts him. It shows that Snow wasn't completely evil, but Dr. Wu corrupted him. And that's all I have to say for now. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get to you all tomorrow.